So if you can tell me, Deepika Padukone, is she a Vata Pitta Kapha? Katrina Kaif, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Sakshi Dhoni, and
If it is your health, just shift that artificial to ancient and use your ancient intelligence.
we are going to be joined by Shweta Shah. And Shweta, if you don't know her, she has 18 years of experience in Ayurveda nutrition. She's a PG in applied nutrition and dietetics, and she consults. Now, this is important for you to know, right? These are some important people. She consults Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaif, Sakshi Dhoni. She's met, interacted, and consulted Mahendra Singh Dhoni, uh, Harbhajan Singh, Imran Tahir, and a lot more people, guys. So, if you have any questions today related to your personal mind or your body health, your nutrition, your right weight, your ideal mind, your ideal diet, today is the person that is going to be present over here with us, whom you can ask all these questions and get answers to. Also, I would encourage you to follow her when she's here. We're going to speak about Ayurveda today, importance of the right diet, what should you eat, what should you avoid. It's a very unique question because everybody's body is different.
Oh, great.
Pleasure to have you. So everybody's been
Thank
waiting.
you.
I've given them your introduction, and I want to encourage you guys again. If you've just joined me in, Sakshi Dhoni, Deepika Padukone, Katrina Kaif, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Harbhajan Singh, Imran Tahir, right? If you go to Shweta's page, and I'm not promoting, I'm saying it from a perspective of she's consulted all these people when it comes to their nutrition. So I just want you to know who you are talking to today, and it's a great opportunity to ask you questions because she's in front of you. And definitely go ahead and follow us later on, right? So Shweta, let's get started. I want to know. Okay, I've got this problem. I was telling them I can go for long without eating, but when I eat, I can eat 9, 10 parathas, right? And that makes me very sleepy, and it takes away a lot of time. And I think I can improve on my nutrition, but what is this whole thing about Ayurvedic life? We come from India. We know its importance, but especially living in a metro, a lot of us in a fast moving environment.
Right.
Why and how, more important is how can we adapt this on a day-to-day basis where we are consistent. We want a plan which we can follow.
Okay, so why an Ayurvedic life? First of all, Ayurveda means it's a science of life. Okay, it's 5,000-year-old science, and it has proven over the time. Even in this corona, we don't have any vaccine or anything, and we have resorted to our ancient intelligence. We have resorted to our traditional wisdom. So Ayurveda is actually a manual that is given to you by nature, and it teaches you to know how to lead the life, how to eat that helps your body to be healthy. And it is not something that you will go back when everything else is failed. It is something that you have to imbibe in your life, and it has to be your daily basis. And it's like a holistic approach towards your well-being. So that is the reason I always tell all my clients, please resort to the traditional wisdom rather than the artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence, obviously, future ke liye to acha hai, I'm not saying no, but if it is your health, just shift that artificial to ancient and use your ancient intelligence.
All right. So Shweta, one question on that, right? Okay. We are a generation which orders online, right? Everything is coming online, and everything that we hear is synthetic. We don't know what is real or not, but I'm guessing most of the things that we order and we get, even in fruits, are synthetic, right? How do we get started? Let's say I know that Ayurveda is important, And I would want all of you guys, some of you to put in comments what problems do you have in your diet, in your food that you want to cope up with. So, how do I start if today is my first day with a plan that I can follow it without having to spend hours on it on a day to day basis? Like, where do I start? What's my first place to put?
Okay, just first to start with, I want everybody to know their doshas. Okay, doshas
Mm-hmm.
means the vata, pitta, and kapha. Okay, these are the pillars of the Ayurveda, and they are the forces of Panch Mahabhuta that actually governs the mind, body, and soul. Okay. Now these doshas, जैसे how you know the blood group, everybody knows their blood group. It is very important the same way you should know your dosha, because dosha is also formed at the time of creation. It all depends upon the health of the ovum, the sperm, the uterus, the diet that the mothers follow during the pregnancy. Okay, and once you know the dosha, you will be able to know the emotional make, the mental make, and also the disease, the kind of disease that you are going to be inclined towards. Like samjho, for example, I am a kapha dosha, then I may be inclined towards a PCOS, or may be inclined towards a thyroid. So this helps you to prevent the disease before you getting sick actually. Okay, so in short, briefly, if I explain you, the universe is made up of 5 elements. Kuch bhi hai, everything around you, even my mobile, even the living things, the non-living things, jo bhi hai, 5 elements se bana hua hai. That is what? That is the earth, water, fire, air, and space. So when these 5 elements comes together, they form 3 doshas. That is the vata, pitta, and kapha. Okay. Now
Okay.
this, I'll just brief, thoda sa main characteristics bata do, so that the viewers can come to know which dosha they belong to, and if they
Can we
really
guess
want.
then? Can we
Sorry,
guess
yeah,
while you
yes,
talk
yes,
about it?
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
all right. So let's try
definitely,
guessing our
definitely.
dosha. Mm.
Great, great. And so first kapha ke sath start karte. Kapha is made up of earth and water, and it always takes the top part of the body. ओके जैसे मुल्तानी मिट्टी और वाटर, उसको हम मिक्स करते हैं तो कैसे स्टिकी स्टिकी हो जाता है, तो वैसे काफा इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू म्यूकस विच इज एक्यूमुलेटेड नॉर्मली इन द टॉप पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. ठीक है. नाउ these people are endomorphic. That means they put on lot of weight, but it is very difficult for them to lose weight. Okay, and their
Okay.
metabolism is very sluggish. They are heavy sleeper. वो उनको कभी भी बोलो वो लोग सो सकते हैं, for hours and hours. Yes, I know. Hours and hours you all can sleep, and but basically, let me tell you, they are very compassionate, very loving, very forgiving, and they're very nourishing. So that is the reason they take the profession also of a counselor. They take the profession of a teacher.
Oh.
They take a profession of a doctor, a nurse, right? And kapha people basically they are somebody who is very little calculative. They don't run behind brands. They love to preserve things, like kabhi button preserve kar diya, ya currency notes preserve kar diye, ya stamps preserve kar diya. And these people, they have very soft, supple skin, and their hair is also very dark, very shiny, and what else? Yeah, so basically, whenever they go out of balance, then their metabolism, as I said, it is very difficult for them to lose weight. They keep on increasing their weight. That is, they go into that obesity zone. And cyst growth in the females, there's a lot of cyst growth, so sometimes they go into the PCOS, into their thyroid thing. Yeah. And one more thing is, like, the kapha people, in the COVID times, if you ask me, तो उनको ना workout करने का जरा भी पसंद, उनको जरा भी पसंद नहीं है. In fact, if I force them to do online workouts, they'll say no. But if I say Netflix पे ये देखा, ये series देखा, अरे ये क्या, Netflix का भी देखा, Hotstar पे देखा, all the series that I have seen, and they are actually a little lazy, and they are like a couch, but they just sit
But
on the
why?
sofa.
Because just we are just sluggish. It's just our way of being,
Exactly,
you're saying?
exactly,
Okay.
exactly. And
Okay.
they
So you are
maybe you
getting.
may not, maybe you may not like that the lockdown is coming, it's getting over actually.
Yeah.
These are
So
kapha people.
okay. So some people are asking you questions. At the same
हाँ.
time, I want people to identify how many of you are kapha. Here the vata and pitta also, but how many of you think you are kapha? People are asking you some tips how to lose weight. I have one input, from my side, which adds to the lose weight question. I'm a workout freak. In my whole, COVID and even beyond that, people know it. I've not missed a day. I've
Mm.
probably not worked out twice. Even
Mm.
today, my workout was 1113 push-ups in
Super.
45 minutes. Uh, but I know I've got a lot of mucus. I
Mm.
can sleep for a long time, so I have to, kind of tell myself that. Also, my metabolism actually, when I don't work out, na Shweta, my weight just loses. Like I just
Mm.
lose weight very fast. So, is it also possible that one person is a combination of a couple things?
Exactly, exactly. I was just about to tell. It's so good that you
Okay.
answer question this, because sometimes it is like you are dominant by one dosha. It is either a kapha, pitta, or a vata, or maybe you are a dual property. Now, the what you are saying reflects that you are a pitta also. Okay, there may be
Hmm.
that there are people who are tridoshic also. That is vata,
Hmm.
pitta, kapha,
Okay.
but that's very rare. थोड़ा सा कम है but pitta, again I'll just tell you the characteristics.
So, Pele, tell
Pitta,
me, how do we lose weight? Because people are asking that. You got that
let
question
me,
twice.
I know that
हाँ.
everybody is going to say, but वो वो weight loss ना वो थोड़ा सा end में लेते हैं, because
ठीक है.
otherwise we'll lose our link on the of knowing the doshas. So
Done.
first let them know what prakriti they belong to. Either it is single or it is dual. Let us understand first that. So
Okay.
Pitta Prakriti is something which we call as a combination of fire and water. So उनको गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है. They are hot-headed. They eat very fast. Their metabolism is super. They're super intelligent. They are very very sharp, observant. They're very joyous. They're very enterprising. They are the Jan of the group actually. And but उनको ना they can't stay hungry. Okay, so अगर मुझे एक पित्ता प्रकृति का कोई बच्चा आता है, then I have to tell her mom कि please उसका 12 बजे लंच है, तो by 11 बजे आप रेडी रहो, वरना he'll react with anger, frustration and irritation. It's that. And these people during the COVID times, I am sure they must have cleaned the rooms also multiple times.
Hmm.
They love sports, they love workouts, they can't go without sometimes they overdo it. Yes, sometimes
Yes.
they overdo it. They don't know the the difference
Where
between
to stop?
aggression and ambition. Yes, yes, yes. And
Hmm.
they are they lose very fast. These pitta prakriti person, they lose very quickly. They are actually mesomorphic. And
Hmm.
what happens is like they have they have soft skin, very rosy complexion, they have silky hair, they have sharp penetrating eyes like Shah Rukh Khan. And if अगर मुझे कोई animal के बारे में पित्ता बोलते हो तो they are like lion and tiger, and they are always, they love leadership. They are the leaders of the pack. They are like CEOs and CFO and CMOs and all, those kind of people. But if the pitta goes out of balance, then they may suffer from acne, pimples, acidity, various skin issues. Skin issues is only because of pitta prakriti, imbalance
Hmm.
in the
Hmm.
pitta
Hmm.
prakriti, pitta dosha, sorry.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
they may also suffer from diarrhea if it goes out of the balance. Yes,
Hmm.
pitta.
I
This is
think, you
pitta.
know what? I think I'm like a lot of pitta. I think more than kapha. Everything that you said, right? I'm not talking about the positive signs, but I think most of what you said, it just resonates with me. As soon
Mm.
as I get anxious, I get
Mm.
ulcers very
Mm.
fast. I have
Mm.
silky hair. I know that. They are very soft, and you
Mm.
can just go through them.
Mm.
And I'm sure a lot of other people will also relate to it. Maybe
Mm.
that's why the whole thing about me since 18, I've been very enterprising. But I want
Mm.
people to also tell me what do they think about themselves, right? And
Mm.
then can you tell us about Vata also?
Vata, yes. Vata is like air. Okay, they can't
Hmm.
sit at one place for a long period of time. They keep on moving from one place to another. Their thoughts also keep on moving, and these people cannot concentrate at all. उनको योगा के लिए बिठाओ तो 10 बार ऐसे आगे पीछे देखते रहेंगे, but concentrate नहीं कर पाएंगे. And
Hmm.
Vata people loves traveling. I'm sure lockdown में भी उनकी travel trip तो ready ही होगी. And these are the people whose 10 plus tabs or icons will be opened right now, even in their mobile or on their laptop, and they refuse to clean it also actually. And
Wow.
what else? They they must have planned 20 things to finish during the lockdown, but आज तक ना एक भी complete नहीं हुआ होगा. It is, I am sure about that. Yeah,
They're all over the
very,
place.
yes, all over the place. They are very talkative, they're very creative, but they have little less confidence and they have too much of wavering mind. ऐसा है.
Okay.
So these are the Vata people.
Okay, got it. Now, if
ask
you
her.
had to give certain tips, right? People have asked you questions. So people are saying that I eat good. You know, if I look at the questions, right? People are saying that I'm eating good, but how do I lose weight, especially the belly weight? How do I improve my overall diet? That is one question. Then, if you can give one tip for each Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, so that we all can improve overall, you know, on what we are. And guys, I want you to comment, right? What do you think you are? Are you a Kapha, a Vata, or a Pitta? Do you think you're a combination? It's very important to know who you are. Kajal says I'm a Vata. Rakhi also said, I think, right, that she's a Vata.
She's a
So
Vata.
go ahead.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay,
Yes.
now the common question about weight loss, since I don't know the doshas, so मैं just comment tridoshi जो सबके लिए अच्छा है, that kind of a diet I'll just explain you. First, when you start your day, you always start your day with an ashgard juice. Especially आपको तो it's like a superfood for you because that will make your blood very alkaline. Okay, so that is the pH level of the blood will become alkaline. So ये ashgard juice अगर नहीं है, ashgard मतलब पेठा. Okay, it's a white pumpkin which is easily it's seasonal and it is easily available also. So then if अगर ये नहीं है, ashgard नहीं है, तो coconut water. Coconut water is like nature's gift to us. Okay, अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे तो coconut water ले लो या श्रीफल ले लो, नारियल ले लो. ठीक है. So even in the ancient time, the Rishi Munis knows the nutritive value of coconut. पर तभी ना खाली coastal areas में मिलता था, interiors में नहीं मिलता था. So what they did, they made it mandatory for all the functions, like मुंडन हो या ceremony हो या king का कुछ हो या you know festivals हो या death हो या किसी कुछ भी हो जाए, पूजन हो, नारियल का होना बहुत जरूरी. They made it mandatory.
Yes.
So and this is the only. So this is the way it came inside the interiors, and these people started using it. It is so nutritive that Rishi Muni knew and they tried to कैसे भी करके उसको लाना था. Right, so this is how they made it mandatory, and also this is the only fruit that we can say that it has got a Shri attached to it. We normally call it as Shri Fal. You know, so it is that height that we have to actually incorporate either the coconut water or the nariyal into our diet. Okay. Then we go to the breakfast part. Now, whatever the social media is saying that we need to have breakfast like a king and all, but trust me, our ancient intelligence never believed that. Since evolution time, we are not following a heavy breakfast, you can say, because during the evolution, so let me tell you, I'll explain you in a way. The body, okay, the body follows a sun cycle. Like जब भी sunrise होता है, वो peak पे नहीं होता है. So that means the breakfast has to be light. It is peak at the noon time. So the lunch has to be heavy. And again, when the sun sets, it is, you know, it is again light. So again, the dinner has to be lighter. This is how the body follows.
Okay. Well, they usually say, right, eat breakfast like a king, and then lunch like a common man, and dinner like a beggar. No. So you're saying actually, okay, can I make lunch and breakfast together into a heavy brunch?
Does that brunch work? No, it will not work. Definitely not work. थोड़ा सा ना जैसे कैसे exercise के लिए warm up चाहिए. वैसे ही breakfast, just consider your breakfast as a warm up. Though you don't want to eat that time, just have a fruit. खाली एक fruit ले लो, you know, just for the warm up, so that the body is ready to digest your lunch or your brunch.
Okay. And tell me about coconut water and white pumpkin. Is it, you said first thing in the morning after you wake up, or you can have it after eating something?
No. First thing in the morning. Like sometimes, अगर कोई आता है Vata, Pitta, Kapha, and I want to pacify their doshas, then I definitely give them decoctions, which we will talk थोड़े time के बाद, so that they can note it down. But maybe you can have some decoctions. That is the boiled water with some herbs and spices, especially for the doshas. Second is the ashgard juice or coconut water, and third is your breakfast. Again, the breakfast, as I said, it has to be lighter. So only focus on fruits. और अभी भी लोगों की आदत है ना, फ्रूट्स ना ऐसे प्लेट भर के फ्रूट्स खाएंगे और दे कंबाइन वेरियस फ्रूट्स टुगेदर. नेवर डू दैट. हैव one particular property, one kind of a fruit that has got similar properties, like apple, pear ले लिया, watermelon, muskmelon या हो सकता है, or maybe some berries, bowl of assorted berries. You don't have to combine the fruits together, right? And after the breakfast, let's go on to the lunch. Now lunch, as I said, has to be very heavy. Okay, so यहाँ हम लेंगे रोटी, सब्जी and दाल. And always rotis जैसे भी like all don't have wheat if you are a vata and a kapha. पित्त प्रकृति रोटी, गेहूं का रोटी आराम से खा सकते हैं. बट वाता और कफा है, then we need some complex carbs like ज्वारी का रोटी, बाजरा का रोटी, और रागी और amaranth or rajgira, quinoa, anything they can have. But and also vegetables, try to have 2 to 3 portions of vegetables. Just एक bowl of vegetable नहीं, because that will help you to digest the rotis also, and a portion of dal. That is a whole meal, and the idea is to have only 1 grain meal a day. So अगर lunch में हमने रोटी सब्जी खाया है, then dinners will only be soup and salad.
Okay. And tell me one thing. Sorry, you have a question though. Is Ashgard very similar to Loki while we are talking about it?
No. Loki and Ashgard both are different. They form the same family, but Ashgard is much more alkaline than what the Loki is.
Okay. Yeah.
Now, but I just want to note one thing. Salads, na, if you are a Vata Prakriti, please don't have raw salads. एक mind में घुस गया है, कि diet पे चले जाओ तो salads खा लो. नहीं. Salads खाएंगे, if it is raw, the body will not able to digest and you will get more gas, more bloating. If your vata was imbalanced. So never, because your digestion is weak. So please don't have raw salads. Instead of raw salads, what you can do, you can either do a stir fry, you can make vegetable patty, or you can make some baked dishes like an agratin, or maybe some baked spinach or something of that kind. But never ever have raw salads if you're a vata prakriti.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Is there a test, Shweta, that we do to know exactly the proportion of Vata, Pitta, Kapha in it?
Exactly.
Or is it with your experience?
No. There is a test wherein you can go through like 15 questions. People can go to my page, that is ItFit 24/7. In the link in bio, there is this test. You can go through it and you will come to know what prakriti you belong to, either a dual or either single. And they will be also getting the conclusions like what characteristics, what you should eat, what not to eat. All that will be there inside that thing. I request people to do at least once and know what the dosha is.
Okay, so I'm writing the page here, Eat Fit 24. And am I putting a slash for 24/7?
No, 247.
There we go. Okay, so you also have a question coming up on can you see that question, because it's not showing me the question?
I think I read something that for people who live abroad and they don't get ragi or something. Yeah?
Yes. So Rose, can you ask that question?
So if you don't get any kind of ragi or something, then you can eat abroad. You get emer, okay, which is a khapli wheat atta, which is 10%, just 10% gluten. That will be good for you, and it's easily available. EMMER, emer flour.
Okay.
That's called
now, Shweta. Now, Shweta, one more thing. I have something written over here with me called oil pulling. What is this oil pulling?
Okay.
I'm curious to know.
Oil pulling is like a magic trick for you to remove all the toxins from your body. Okay. So, how you do, I'll tell you first. You just take 1 spoon of coconut oil, put it into your mouth and swish it for 10 minutes. You may find 10 minutes very long, but trust me, it is worth trying it. And क्या होता है कि जब भी डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं तो पहले टंग देखता है. So tongue is like a mirror for and it shows the health and hygiene of the internal organs. Tongue is connected to your kidney, to your heart, to your lungs, to your small intestine. So what the tongue is doing, tongue is acting like a suction pump, and it is removing all the toxins from the various organs. Okay, with my experience, I'm doing oil pulling for say 10 minutes. मुझे ना ये throat में बहुत दर्द होने लगता है. So this shows that it is sucking all the toxins from the body. So the benefits of oil pulling is not only the oral health, yellow coloration of the teeth or maybe plaque or maybe some toothache or something, but even you, आप कुछ भी बोलो, anything, you say constipation, acne, pimples, anxiety, depression, or maybe even constipation, diabetes, cholesterol, everything will be solved by this oil pulling.
Wow.
Trust me, it has got that 10
You're saying
minutes is
coconut
worth.
oil?
हाँ, so अगर either coconut oil, sesame oil or mustard oil. So if you're a kapha prakriti, I request you all to do it with a mustard oil. If it is pitta, do it with coconut oil, and if you are a vata, do it with sesame oil.
And can I use the same coconut oil I put in my hair?
No, you get extra virgin coconut oil,
Yes.
organic coconut oil available. So please use that rather than something what you put into your hair.
Okay.
I don't know how genuine it is, yes, but we don't use
Okay.
it.
All right. So now, when do I do this? Do I do this in the morning, any time of the day?
Yes, empty stomach always in the mornings. And
So can I
especially
do
for
it
10
after
minutes.
having water?
No, do it empty stomach. So there is a no. Do it empty stomach. First thing, हाँ, अगर किसी को पसंद नहीं है, you know, doing it without that tongue cleaning or something, then you can have little water and then do it. But do it empty stomach. And one point I forgot is after swishing it, please throw it out. Don't gulp it down. So be very careful. Just throw it out after 10 minutes.
Wow. Okay. Wow. That's magic. I think so. I have I'll ask you one question. I have
1
a lot
minute.
of
Ashish,
mucus.
there is somebody saying oil pulling before brushing or after. It has to be always
think
before brushing. And
before
after
brushing.
that also, you take half glass of warm water with little salt in it and just gargle. Because now oil pulling se pura mouth na thoda sa chikat ho jata hai. So better to, gargle it with little salt and then throw it off. Yes.
And then throw it off. Okay, got it. Okay. Now, with COVID, I was asking this question because of that. So people have got these symptoms of cough, cold. The weather is changing, sneezing, fever, etc. So these are symptoms that we all have, regardless if I'm a kapha, I'm a pitta, or I'm a vata. I just want to know how with COVID and in general with these basic diseases that a lot of people get, how can I fight this? What can be my diet to overcome this? Because personally, I have a lot of cough. When I exercise, I remove a lot of cough every day. It's just me, and I think it's probably my diet or my body. So whatever you said, especially the oil pulling part, I'm going to start doing from tomorrow. But how can we overall, with the changing weather, have a stronger immune system?
Okay. See, ये पूरा year ना 2020 everybody is running behind that immunity actually, frankly speaking. So क्या होता है, but what is happening is कि हम बहुत कुछ पढ़ रहे to boost up your immunity. ठीक है? So for example, if I say COVID पकड़ लो, तो मेरे हाथ में 2 कचरे का थैली है and I want to throw it somewhere. Okay? मैं रोड पे जा रही हूँ, जाहिर है मैं कोई साफ जगह पे नहीं फेंकूंगी. Either I'll put it in some dustbin or I'll put it in जहाँ कचरे का ढेर already पड़ा हुआ है. Okay, so the same way it is, the virus will attack only that body जिसकी body के अंदर कचरा या toxins या waste भरा हुआ है. Okay, like why is that? So that only certain set of people in a country are affected by COVID and the rest are very good. Okay, even in the same house. The husband is COVID positive and the female, the wife is negative. ऐसे तो नहीं है कि husband ने कोई काढ़ा नहीं लिया है to improve his immunity or something. He must have done it. But what is happening is the immunity system ने अपने soldier cells को active कर दिया है. Okay, but for the soldier cells to reach to the targeted organ, उसका पूरा जो channel है, उसका जो पूरा pathway is all blocked, all traffic jam because of the toxins in the body. So these soldier cells are not able to reach on to the targeted organ on time. Okay, so the virus gets mutated and then it starts spreading. Okay, so the main thing here is कि इम्यूनिटी कितना भी आप बूस्ट कर दो, ये 6-7 महीने आपने कितनी भी इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट कर दी, बट अगर आपके टॉक्सिन्स आर स्टिल देयर इनसाइड द बॉडी, योर पूरा चैनल पाथवेज ऑल ब्लॉक्ड बिकॉज ऑफ वेस्ट, द इम्यूनिटी इज ऑफ नो यूज. Okay, that means I always believe clean body is equal to a very highly immune body. बॉडी को
Okay.
क्लीन करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड फॉर क्लीनिंग, एज यू सेड, टू improve your immunity, the best thing to do is give time to the body, like do fasting. Either you do in a week, you do 1 or 2, जैसे जैसे वैसे. अगेन द एंशिएंट इंटेलिजेंस हमको फास्टिंग करने हमें बोला ही है, इधर सोमवार मंगलवार करो या रमजान देखो या जैनिज्म का देख लो. सो फास्टिंग इज ऑलवेज देयर इन ऑल द स्क्रिप्चर्स, इन ऑल द लिटरेचर. Okay, so this is the way to clean the body, because body can do only two things at one thing at a time. Either it can digest the food, or either it can clean the food, clean your body or heal your body. ठीक है? So please give time to your body to clean. जो भी toxins इकट्ठा हुआ है उसको फेंकने के लिए उसको time देना चाहिए. So either you fasting, if you can't do the whole day fasting, you can do a 3-day juice fasting. Okay, and in 3 days you just have juices. वो भी plain, without don't just strain it, not even a fiber in the body. Okay, कि stomach को fiber भी digest करना पड़े, उतना भी नहीं. Just 3 days fasting and you see the result is amazing. And if you can't do the 3-day juice fasting, just try to do intermittent fasting, that is 16 hours of fasting. ये तो सब कर सकते हैं. अगर 16 hour नहीं कर सकते तो at least 14 hour fasting. But give some time to the body to just clean yourself. So this is how your immunity will respond.
Okay, so fasting is important. Breakfast should be light, but there should be breakfast. Lunch should be healthy. And based on where I belong, I need to eat a wheat, flour, and roti accordingly. Dinner has to be light. Oil pulling will help us. Immunity has a lot to do with our toxins and how flushed our body is, and that's how we will be protected from different kinds of illnesses. I have one last question for today, and there are questions coming up, which you can answer, but I think I have to ask you this question. You've consulted all these celebrities, you've met them, okay? You've interacted with them, you've seen them. So if you can tell me, Deepika Padukone, is she a Vata, Pitta, Kapha? Katrina Kaif, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Sakshi Dhoni, at the same time, right? At the same time, my question to you is, how do I get as fit as them if I'm a common man, regardless if I'm a Vata, Pitta or Kapha, mindfully and physically? Because people say, na, मेरे पास time नहीं है श्वेता to get fit or to follow a diet. But these people have a lot of pressure. They are very big people, anywhere they go, they always are under pressure to perform or to look the best, to be the best, right? So because you've met them, you've interacted with them, if you can tell me just, for our exciting and fun part, what are they, Kapha, Pitta, Vata, from different personalities? And also, how can I get inspired by them, to be mindfully and physically fit? What have you learned from them is my question.
What have I learned from them?
Yes. Because you've given them a lot of information, right? But you met these people, and maybe some things that will help a common man, because a lot of times हमको लगता है कि ये हमारे लिए possible ही नहीं है. Whether body, वैसा mind,
etc. See, basically these people are super fit. Okay, खाली उनका थोड़ा सा दोषा balance करना पड़ता है. It will be so basic tips that I give them, frankly speaking, is the first is the oil pulling is always what we do. Okay. Second is we ask them to keep their gut very healthy. मतलब जो अग्नि रहती है, अग्नि is the enzyme that activates the various digestive juices in their body, because they eat, sometimes they go party, they drink, जो भी कुछ है सब कुछ है. So we have to actually improve their gut rather than anything else. So मैं हाल ही उनके टाइम पे उनका वही फोकस रहता है कि मैं उनका गट क्लीन कर दूं. Every day and every time I just keep their gut clean. And the third thing is what I do is always try to make their plan according to the doshas. भले उनको, and I try to give them decoctions जितना हो सके उतना, because they छोटी छोटी लंच एंड डिनर समझो उनका मिस हो जाता है या कुछ गड़बड़ कर देते हैं or something, because the crew may not give them proper food or something, but at least I ask them to have those small decoctions, which is very important for me to pacify the dosha. right? समझो दीपिका is a pitta prakriti, even Katrina is a pitta prakriti. So उनको मैं वही बोलती हूँ कि भाई rose petals either fresh or either dry, just keep it with you. Rose petals ले लो, coriander seeds ले लो, fennel and cumin. ये चारों को एक पानी, एक glass, एक boil a glass of water, put all these things, let it seep in for 5 minutes, and then strain it and drink it. Now they are advised to have this at least twice a day. Okay. Then if somebody like Vata कौन था? Vata,
what is MS Dhoni? Do you know what Mahendra Singh Dhoni?
He is a Pitta Prakriti, very much.
Yeah.
Very much. And
but he's Captain Cool, right? He doesn't get angry.
He doesn't get angry, yeah. But वो तो field पे
वो field पे. Sakshi Dhoni knows. I'm just joking.
Yeah. So Vata Prakriti, I think Bhajibai hai. Yeah, he's a Vata Prakriti, and always is advised to have. I hope people note it down. It's really a magical tea. It is ginger, cinnamon, cardamom. ये तीनों को मिला के boil it in a glass of water and drink it. Sieve it, strain it, and drink it.
This is for Vata.
This is for Vata. Yes.
This is for Vata. Okay.
Kapha Prakriti, since we need to boost up their metabolism, they're very sluggish, so we need to give them dil, ginger, clove, and it is methi seeds. ये चारों को मिला के make a tea and keep on sipping on this tea. This will keep their metabolism ticking.
Okay.
So these are the decoctions which are really like a magic. Please follow these decoctions.
Okay. Okay. So Shweta, now how does somebody, from our audience get in touch with you with all these questions that they have? If they can they have you as their consultant? Is that possible?
Yeah, obviously. Yes. Definitely.
Okay, all right. I don't want them to think that you only consult with celebrities.
No, sir. You know me very well. I'm very down to earth.
Yes, I'm from them. I'm for them. Yeah. For them to know.
For me, everybody is the same. I am there. No, my charges are just the same. They are not something different. But obviously, I have certain set of mentors along with me who can guide them throughout. I may not be available 24/7, but anytime, anywhere, they can just message me. They need to give me 3 to 4 hours to answer, get back to them. But I surely reply them.
Okay. And outside Instagram, how do I get in touch with you? Is there an email ID? Is there somewhere that I can mail you outside Instagram for past practice?
Rakhi, are you there? I think Rakhi, you should type it. Or maybe, sir, you can. It's itfit24/7@gmail.com.
Okay. Well, Shweta, it's been like a pleasure for me personally to know so much. It's a pleasure that you actually give us time. So much information out for free. And I really mean this because this is something that can help me improve my performance and feel better about myself as a person on a day-to-day basis, which is priceless. If I am more energetic, more confident, happy, healthy, it can change my game. And definitely, that oil pulling exercise that you've told me, it can change my game further, and I'm sure they've got a lot of value out of it. Thank you so much for being here with us. It's a pleasure. It genuinely is. And if you want to leave us with any last thoughts, the stage is yours.
No, I just want to say it's that please do follow these natural methods and remedies available, and just get back to the roots. Don't follow anything, whatever you are listening. पूरा PhD कर लेते सब Facebook पे जाके, Google पे जाके, everything. But just listen to your traditional wisdom. You will be the most happy and the healthiest person on earth. For
sure. Yes, done. All right. So let's get fit. Thank you so much.